Good day, Mathematics, and today we will talk about factorial function. This is under the topic of permutation and combinatorics. So what is a factorial function? The factorial function, denoted by a symbol, this exclamation point, says to multiply all whole numbers from our chosen number down to 1. We have a positive integer or it is only applicable to positive integer. And we get its factorial by just multiplying to the previous integer down to 1. 0 is not included because the product would be equal to 0. Usually, we can see it into the scientific calculator. So, sa scientific calculator, meron po tayong makita na exclamation point. Yan ay factorial function. Let's have an example. 1 factorial is equal to 1 because there's no positive integer or then the previous integer of 1 is 0, and as I've said, we will not include 0 as one of the factors. So 1 factorial is just 1. Another example, 2 factorial. 2 factorial, the previous integer of 2 is 1. So 2 factorial is the same as 1 times 2. And that is equal to 3 factorial. So the previous integer of 3 factorial is 2 and 1. 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. 4 factorial. So following the pattern, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. And that is equivalent to 20. So, in general, if we have n as our positive integer, each factorial is denoted by n, then n minus 1, previous integer, n minus 2, minus 3, down. We have the special case here. Meron po tayong 0 factorial, yan ay equal to 1.
Operation of factorial function. 1. 2 factorial times 3 factorial. 2 factorial is simply 1 times 2. And 3 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3. 1 times 2, that is 2. And 1 times 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, the final answer is 2 times 6, which is equal to 4. Number 2, 4 factorial times the quantity 3 minus 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. 3 minus 2 is just 1. Therefore, that is 1 factorial. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. Number 3, 5 factorial over 3 factorial and 2 factorial. 5 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. 3 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3. And 2 factorial is 1 times 2. Now, we will not multiply the numerator and also in the denominator. We will cancel out this 1 times 2 times 3. So, we'll cancel out this 1 to lessen our process of solving. 4 times 5 is just 20. And 1 times 2 is 2. And finally, we have 20 divided by 2. That is equal to 2. For number 4, 21 factorial divided by 19 factorial, 2 factorial. So in this case, if we will simplify this 21 factorial, we came out to a larger number. So we'll use the cancellation method. 21 factorial can be written as 19 factorial times 20 times 21. So why we write in this way? This is because the denominator has 19 factorial and 2 factorial. 19 factorial over 19 factorial, we simply cancel out that 1. So therefore, the remaining is 20 times 21. 2 factorial is just 2. Then, we will divide 20 by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 10 times 21 is 200.